How about we start with what precisely Nano and its elements are? Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The attention is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other cryptographic forms of money. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Can Nano beat the market? Nano expects to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was likewise planned with new information structures and different systems to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The negligible block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, accordingly lessening the exchange affirmation times, making it quicker. Without the customary confirmation of work and mining, hubs utilize altogether less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano involves a design for each block which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-created confirmation of work esteem, a QoS prioritization instrument permitting an intermittent client exchange to process at quick rates. This exchange requires some investment and no time flat to be executed on present-day computer processors. This lightweight design makes Nano ultra-quick. Nano is an improved on Bitcoin, it might be said, with an emphasis on straightforward blocks that empowers quick exchanges. Basically, Nano stores exchange information in a block development, similar to blockchain-based more modest ventures. It is not difficult to refresh and get it utilizing this while additionally guaranteeing that blockchain usefulness is kept up with at max execution. Nano centers around giving an individual a more straightforward method for getting to Bitcoin innovation and entering their lives. Consequently, the emphasis is more on versatility and less on encryption advancements that empower mysterious exchanges that are challenging to follow. The advancement group needs to make exchanges quicker, guaranteeing that the innovation stays versatile with less accentuation on security. Along these lines, the probability of the public authority attempting to boycott nano-cryptographic money is fundamentally less. It very well may be conceivable that states themselves gain from this innovation and empower a computerized money in their own nations as a trade for cash, like how the advanced yen was presented in China. In light of our Nano cost forecast 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Nano cost conjecture for 2027 is $12.27. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 403.03%. The ongoing cost of Nano digital money is exchanging above $2.41. According to our Nano cost estimate, the coin could stir things up around town value level of $2.99 and the most extreme value level of $3.39. The typical value level of Nano for the ongoing year may be around $3.18 according to our Nano cost expectation. Nano cost has been showing a rising inclination, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's to come. The future cost of Nano is anticipated at $5.13 after the ongoing year, as indicated by our Nano cost expectation. In December 2022, the cost will be around $4.10, with a greatest value level of $4.92. The base cost of Nano may be at its help levels around $3.44 for December 2022. The typical Nano cost for December 2022 is $4.18. Nano cost figure toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.10. The value change would be 5%. The Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability isn't acting insane right now, and the cost diagram is by all accounts keeping a decent sideways pattern. The RSI pointer is drawing closer, the oversold condition approaching 30 worth. On the off chance that the purchase signal is set off, the holding period ought to likewise consolidate the sideways pattern, and the probability of how deferred the sell sign will be, because of somewhat less action in the Nano, it very well may be hard to precisely foresee where the sell sign ought to be. However long the sell is made over the help level, thus, it is smart to early sell. We should take a gander at the verifiable information of the Nano coin. We can see that the ongoing cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the principal half of 2018. These value highs were cosmic, and no measure of idiocy ought to have had the option to drop the coin cost. Indeed, there is a justification for that. First and foremost, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with practically every form of Bitcoin and comparable clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the Speculation Council from the monetary consultants, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated due to the absence of national banks to manage it and having no real worth. This was trailed by gigantic selling and a cost change as short dealers likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and sell Nano. Most would agree that assuming the coin mirrors an upswing and returns to its unsurpassed high, it would probably continue a pattern that other cryptographic forms of money will likewise continue on the lookout. In the above Nano USD cost diagram, there is a help level between $1.50 to $2, with momentary patterns enduring half a month. One might say that we just have a help level. There is no unmistakable opposition level. Yet if one somehow managed to shape an obstruction level, it would be close to $2.63. The typical cost level for the year 2022 is close $3.18 according to the Nano figure, while the ongoing cost is $2.46. For this situation, in the event that clients need to execute specialized examination for exchanging, they can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, or they can have a go at holding for quite a long time and assuming that there is no cost unpredictability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the unpredictability to settle prior to selling the resource. Swing exchanging techniques could likewise be carried out subsequent to doing appropriate examination and following the most recent news. Specialized investigation, Nano value expectations, and market refreshes. Nano value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. Nano value forecasts are hard to frame since the basic principle investigation isn't possible since it comes up short on new inclusion. The upsides and downsides are strong. That is, it is exceptionally simple to carry out. The exchanges are free with no secret charges. The framework is dependable, and the improvement group is as yet buckling down on it. In any case, the disadvantages are additionally there. Like, purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, the worthiness is non-existent since it isn't tremendously known external a little circle. This makes it undeniably challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost expectation. Besides, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of enormous unpredictability. Nano Value Forecast 2022. In view of the positive mechanical development, most would agree that it is feasible for the Nano cost to beat market returns till 2026, assuming the Nano cost rise arrives at the highs of 2018. All things considered, the probability of that incident additionally depends on the way that what drives the market for its reception. The cost could reach $3.39 in the year 2022. Nano Value Forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $4.05, least cost at $3.51, and the typical cost at $3.85. While the cost levels mirror the indication of expansion in the cost. Nano Value Expectation 2024. There is plausible of long-haul procuring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. The cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.65. Least degree of $3.25, and the typical degree of $4.04 in the year 2024. Nano Value Expectation 2025. According to the Nano cost expectation, the cost of Nano could reach $5.69 in the year 2025. Assuming the cost arrives at up to this level, it will be advantageous for venture purposes. Nano Value Forecast 2026. In view of the Nano cost forecast, the Nano cost could go down to $4.71 in the year 2026. However, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it tends to be utilized any place on the planet. Is Nano a wise speculation? For years to come, Nano is a wise speculation choice. In any case, nobody knows how long it would require at the cost to recuperate. Central examination is vital while putting